Alright, good morning everyone. In today's video we're going to be installing the Tanida Dogfight steering wheel. We've been waiting for this for about 8 months. Yeah, I'm sure it's well worth the wait. We're going to do an unboxing with you guys, and we finally received everything else that we need to install it, like our Borg Spell hub and the screws, the hardware that goes with it. After many delays from FedEx, we finally got it. Let's go. So as you can see, this thing's great quality. The suede looks fantastic. The stitching looks great. Even right here where the metal meets the suede, it looks perfectly done. So yeah, I'm excited to install this. So I am going to order a bracket to hold that cruise control button. That will probably be installed later. Alright, so I already did a steering wheel install on this car before, so if you need to know how to install a steering wheel, it's the same exact process even with the hub. So go ahead and check that one out, and when it comes to like the horn and everything, I'll record that here and you guys can watch that part here. Alright, so the first thing that I want to do is figure out what fucking cables are keeping, which ones are not. This is the horn right here, airbag, and oh no, this is the horn, sorry, this is for the cruise control. So yeah, let's take this module holder thing out, put that over there. Okay, and it looks like there's a kit that comes with it to like keep using those things, so we'll see. We're gonna install it right now. Alright, so to insert your wires, there's like a little opening in the back. Oh, where am I? There's like a little opening in the back right here. This little thing, you slip them in, come out through here. That way it doesn't interfere with the cylinder right here.
Testing. Okay. At this point I realized the hub wasn't fitting correctly, so I thought I needed to remove the SRS part on the steering column, but you don't. You'll see.
Okay, so the reason why it wasn't fitting is because I guess we need to take this off to fit it in, and to do that there are 2 Phillips under. So the whole point of doing this was just to get the SRS bag off. So we need to unclip it from up here. Okay, so quick update of what I've been doing, because a little bit of time has passed since we did that last clip that you guys just saw before this.
Okay, my camera died during that clip, I guess. So anyway, you can install everything with the hub. All you need to do is remove the top piece of the steering column and insert it and bolt it on.
Okay, so we're basically done, right? Now that it all bolts up together without any other issues, the cruise control, I'm gonna do that another day when I get that bracket. So for now, we're just gonna worry about the horn. The horn attaches onto this. So we're gonna put this back onto here, boom. And now we bolt the steering wheel on. Okay, so now my wheels are turned. Never mind, my wheels are not turned. My fucking steering column has turned. So I gotta fix that before I install the wheel. Otherwise, I'll be screwed. Or I can install the wheel, turn it while holding the brakes, and then maybe that'll work. Let's test it out. All right, there you have it, just like that. It's installed. Stay tuned for the bracket install. Basically, it's a bracket that makes the cruise control stay right here, which will come in clutch on cruises. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and check out all my other videos. A lot of EP3 stuff and FG4 stuff and car videos. Oh wait, can't forget the last piece. Boom, shakalaka.
Dreamland.